Last year, while we were in quarantine, I came up with this brilliant plan that I wanted to build a pond in the middle of the ground by watching YouTube tutorials on how to build a pond. And here's my story. So my dad did the engineering and helped out with the equipment, and my maintenance manager, Nick, did everything else. So we dug this big, giant 480 square foot hole. Now what? So I go to buy the boulders and the stone for the pond, and guess what the guy tells me? Ma'am, you happen to pick the most expensive stone on the whole entire ground. Can you believe it? Yeah, I can. So they deliver the rocks and the boulders, and I'm thinking, how are we going to move these around and arrange them around the pond? Didn't think that one through. I pretty much cried for 2 days. I realized it was a little harder than I thought. It's time to turn the pumps on, and after putting water in the pond, of course, and making sure that everything works. I'm kind of nervous. Let's see how it goes. We actually did it. We pulled it off. I can't wait for you to come and see it in person. Do I want to build another one? Hell no. No, no, no. But it was fun.